Hello students, let us start with definition cofactor of a matrix. Definition: let A is equals to matrix Aij be an n by n matrix, and Cij denote the cofactors of Aij. Note the cofactors of Aij. One is less than or equal to I comma j is less than or equal to n. Then the matrix C is equals to matrix Cij is called cofactor of matrix A. What is cofactor matrix of any matrix? A is equals to matrix Aij, be an n by n matrix, and Cij denote cofactors of Aij. We have already seen in previous videos what is cofactor of Aij. One is less than or equal to I comma j is less than or equal to n, means I and j both runs from 1 to n. The matrix C is equals to Cij is called cofactor matrix of A. Okay. Let us take next definition, adjoint of A. Definition: let A is equals to matrix Aij be n by n matrix, then the transpose of the cofactor matrix of A is called adjoint of A and is written as adjoint of A. Okay. Therefore, adjoint of A is equals to C transpose or matrix Cij transpose. A is equals to Aij be n by n matrix, then the transpose of the cofactor matrix of A is called adjoint of A. Means adjoint of A is equals to transpose of cofactor matrix of A. Okay. Let us take one theorem. Let A be an invertible matrix. What is invertible matrix? Invertible n by n matrix. Invertible matrix means determinant of that matrix is not equal to 0. Then A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, where as previous we have seen adjoint of A is equals to C transpose, which is equals to transpose of Cij matrix. Okay, students, remember this formula. A be an invertible matrix, then A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Let us take one example based on this formula. Example: find the inverse of the matrix. A is equals to 2 1 3. Matrix 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 1, 1 4 minus 2. Okay, we have to find inverse of this matrix by using the formula A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. Solution. Here A is equals to matrix 2 1 3 1 minus 1 1 1 4 minus 2. Okay. We have to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of Cij matrix. Cij means cofactor matrix of matrix A. Okay. We have to find out for cofactor matrix. We have to find out cofactor corresponding each Aij. First of all, we are finding cofactor corresponding to 2. So C11 is equal to, what is the formula for cofactor? Cij is equals to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Okay, and Mij is nothing but minus 1 raised to I plus j into determinant of Aij. Okay, so C11 is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into determinant of, delete first row and first column. So here we have to find determinant of minus 1 1 4 minus 2. Okay, minus 1 raised to 2 is positive. So determinant of minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. So C11 is minus 2. Now find out cofactor corresponding to 1. This entry is A12. So cofactor is C12 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into determinant of, delete first row and second column. So determinant of 1 1 1 minus 2. Okay, minus 1 raised to 3 is minus into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, this minus 3, which is equals to plus 3. So C12 is plus 3. Okay, next find out cofactors of A13. So it is C13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into determinant of, delete first row and third column. So we have to find determinant of 1 minus 1 1 4. Okay, minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. 4 minus 1, sorry, 4 into 1 is 4 minus 1, minus minus becomes plus. This is 5. Okay, C13 is equals to 5. Next find out C21. This is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into determinant of, delete first row and, sorry, C21. So delete second row and first column. So we have to find determinant of 1 3 4 minus 2. Okay, which is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 is negative minus 1 in minus 2 minus 12. Okay, which is equals to plus 40. So C21 is equals to plus 40. Similarly, C22 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 is 4. Determinant of, delete second row and second column. So determinant of 2 3 1 minus 4. Sorry, 2 3 minus 2, which is equals to minus 1 raised to 4 is positive. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 minus 3 is equals to minus 7. C23 3 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into determinant of, delete second row and third column, find out determinant of 2 1 into 1 4. Minus 1 raised to 5 is negative, 2 into 4 is 8 minus 1 is equals to minus 7. So C23 is equals to minus 7. C31 is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into determinant of, delete third row and first column, 1 3 minus 1 1, okay, which is equals to, this is minus 1 raised to 4 is positive into 1 minus minus become plus 3 is equals to 4. This C31, okay. Next is C32. C32 is minus 1 raised to 5 into determinant of, delete third row and second column, 2 3 1 1, okay, which is equals to, so C32 is equals to minus into 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Next is C33, minus 1 raised to 6 into determinant of 2 1 1 minus 1 is equals to, minus 1 raised to 6 is positive, so this is plus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 3, okay. Therefore Cij matrix is equals to, okay, C11 is minus 2, C12 is 3, C13 is 5, C21 is 14, C22 is minus 7, C23 is minus 7, C31 is 4, C32 is 1, C33 is minus 3, okay. Adjoint of A, as previous we have seen, adjoint of A is equals to matrix transpose of Cij is equals to, take transpose of this matrix means interchange rows and column. So minus 2 3 5 14 minus 7 minus 7 4 1 minus 3. This is adjoint of A. Now we have to find determinant of A. Determinant of A is your matrix. So determinant of A, 2 into minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2 minus 4, okay. Minus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 4 plus 1 is equals to 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 1 is 5 is equals to minus 4 plus 3 plus 15 is equals to minus 1 plus 15 is equals to 40. So write down determinant of A is equals to 14, okay. Now put values of determinant of A is equals to 14 and adjoint of A this in this example, in this formula. So determinant of A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, okay, which is equals to, this is 1 upon 14 into, this is adjoint of A matrix, minus 2 upon 14, 4, 3, minus 7, 1, 5, minus 7, minus 3, okay, which is equals to minus 2 upon 14. 14 upon 14 is 1. 4 upon 14, 3. This is minus 7 by 14. Sorry. Let us write down here. Therefore, A inverse is equal to minus 2 upon 14, 14 upon 14, 4 upon 14, 3 upon 14, minus 7 upon 14, 1 upon 14, 5 upon 14, minus 7 upon 14, and minus 3 upon 14. Okay. It is equal to minus 2 by 14 means 2 7 the 14. So this is minus 1 by 7. This is 14 upon 14 is 1. This is 2 by 7. 2 to the 4 and 2 7 the 14. 3 by 14 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 14. 5 by 14 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 14. Okay, this is the A inverse. Okay students, you have to use this formula to find inverse of a matrix. What is that formula? A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, where adjoint of A is equals to transpose of cofactor matrix. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.